Hello everyone! I hope you all had an awesome 4th of July. I know I had. I had such an amazing time watching the fireworks at night. Allow me to show all of you a footage of some of the brightening, beautiful, flashing fireworks that I have caught on camera. I hope you all enjoy the show. Oh boy. Oh, look at these. Look at all the fireworks going off. Oh, they're really brightening up the night tonight. Look at this. Oh, beautiful. That's so cool.
You're a big boy. Look at him, Mom, compared to you.
Wow. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, wow. Holy moly. So awesome. This is a really perfect spot for tonight. I swear it is. Definitely. Ooh. Whoa. That was pretty. Wow. I think I caught that one. I caught it.
Yeah, because Dad's 6 months.
Oh. Oh, nice. See if we got any more. Oh, there goes one. Wow. Sparkly. Sparkly. Ooh. Whoa.
I am. I'm second deal.
Whoa. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, here's some scorching fireworks going on. Whoa. Oh, cool. Whoa. That's beautiful. Oh, nice. Awesome. I'm going to zoom in for you guys. For all of you, I'm going to zoom in right here. Oh, yeah. Beautiful. Happy 4th of July, everyone. Happy Independence Day. Oh, we have beautiful fireworks. Look at that. It's looking amazing right here. Ooh, sweet. Whoa. Awesome. Oh, I like those ones. They look like stars to me. Beautiful. I love these fireworks. They're really brightening up my night, I should say so myself. Oh. Whoa! Oh, sparkly. Ooh, that is beautiful. Wow! Woo! Oh, yes! Whoa! Oh, yeah, that's beautiful. Look at that. Yeah, this is a really perfect spot for tonight. These fireworks are lightening up the night. Wow. Whoa. Whoa. That was bright. Oh, we got some sparkles going on over there. Oh, another pretty one. Oh, those are really nice. I like those. Oh. I pretty much love all of the fireworks that they shoot. Oh, that was nice. I call those the falling stars. Whoa. Woo! Whoa! Definitely some awesomeness going on. Wow! Woo! That was pretty. That was really pretty. Happy Independence Day, everyone. Whoa! Awesome. Whoa! Caught that the last moment. Whoa! Woo! Awesome. Whoa! Whoa! That almost caught me off guard. Oh. Oh, yes! Whoa! Yeah, keep it going! Woo! Oh, yeah, here we go! This is where the fun begins! Come on, light up the skies! Let's do it! Oh! Wow, that's a win in my book. Wow! Whoa, that is so cool! Woo! That was awesome! Oh, we got a few more! Whoa! Caught us all off guard! Oh yeah, baby! Woo! Oh yeah! Oh, awesome! That was awesome right there. Really cool. Definitely. Oh, got a few more over there just for the extras. Oh, never mind. We have a few more on the other side. Oh yeah, let me zoom in on that. Oh, that is awesome! Woo! Awesome sauce! Oh, sweet! Look at that! All of those fireworks! Pretty much brightens all of our nights, if I should say so myself. Oh yeah! Whoa! Awesome! Woo-wee! Happy 4th of July! Oh, awesome! Oh yeah! The grand finale was totally awesome! That wraps up today's video. I hope all of you enjoyed. Be sure to smash that like button and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see all of you next time. Goodbye, everybody. And I hope all of you had a happy, wonderful, and safe Independence Day this year.